Curator. A person who manages a museum or collection. The curator showed the old paintings. She works as a museum curator. Etiquette. Rules of polite behavior. He learned dining etiquette. Good etiquette shows respect. Gallantry. Brave and respectful behavior. The soldier was praised for gallantry. His gallantry impressed the crowd. Chivalry. Polite and respectful behavior, especially toward women. He showed chivalry by helping her. Many people admire old-fashioned chivalry. Adequate. Enough or satisfactory. The room had adequate space. He received adequate support. Contravene. To go against a rule or law. His actions contravene the law. They were warned not to contravene the rules. Corpulence. Being very fat. Her corpulence made walking difficult. The doctor warned him about corpulence. Deity. A god or goddess. The temple was built for a deity. People prayed to their deity. Corrosive. Able to damage or destroy slowly. The chemical is highly corrosive. Angry words can have a corrosive effect. Coronation. A ceremony where a king or queen is crowned. People gathered for the coronation. The coronation ceremony was grand. Designation. An official name or position. His designation in the company is manager. She received a new designation at work. Dictatorship. A system where one ruler has total power. The country suffered under dictatorship. People wanted freedom from dictatorship. Constituency. A group of voters in an area. He visited his constituency before the election. The constituency supported the candidate. Referendum. A public vote on an important issue. The country held a referendum. People voted in the referendum. Depiction. A picture or description of something. The movie gave a good depiction of history. His painting was a depiction of village life. Recounted. Told or described something again. He recounted the whole story. She recounted her childhood memories. Politeness. Good manners and respectful behavior. Her politeness impressed everyone. Politeness is important in conversation. Courtesy. Kind and respectful behavior. She treated everyone with courtesy. Thanking others is a common courtesy. Cordially. In a warm and friendly way. They cordially welcomed the guests. She cordially invited him inside. Modesty. Not showing too much pride. She spoke with modesty about her success. His modesty made people respect him more. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.